Why are you filming my ice cream bowl?
Is it hard to eat your ice cream, Gord? Because there's one guy and then there's the other guy keeping a close eye on the ice cream bowl. Look.
Are you okay, Garfunkel?
When am I gonna get it?
If I put it down, Simon's gonna get it right away.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Ice cream!
Garfunkel, what the heck? Get out! It gets mine too! He jams they're both jamming their head, trying to jam their heads in. Num nums. Num nums good.
That good? Get in there.
Give him a headbutt. There we go. Look at his tongue shooting it out like a maniac.